humility that we from Goa, State Providence, have extended our help and assistance to an organization from the United States. Finally, religion is not the main thing, it is humanity. And we are come here in a human crisis. Anybody with a human crisis, we have to face, irrespective of the faith. I think all religions teaches all this. And all said and done, the Sikhism is the greatest charitable organization we have seen all through other years. Let us pray and hope the gods up in heaven will bless the people of Punjab and the unfortunate people who have come to such a difficult situation. We are very happy to join and help this. It has caused immense destruction to the people of that area. We are happy that we were able to coordinate with the Pilar fathers who helped us to go to those places. Pilar fathers have a very nice presence in Patinda. In fact, one of their schools are one of the best schools in that area, which is which some of the best children are coming to those places. We were also happy to know and see that some of our Goan girls are also working as teachers and also in the office. Acres and acres of fields has been submerged. In fact, we were told that some of the cattle were they were washed away into Pakistan, and some of the people from Pakistan have sent back their animals. So I think when you see it's a human tragedy, I think we need to sometimes keep our bitterness, anger under us wraps. But because human tragedy overcomes everything.
We are returning now from Punjab. Today is 12th September and it's a Friday. What we have done in Punjab is what we saw, and we have given some aid around. We have also committed to education fees for poor children on a priority basis once the things start returning back to normal. This aid what we have given has been sponsored by two benefactors. Put money from our side. Somebody has given us aid donation for the aid in Punjab, and that's what we have done. There will be more trips in the due course of time.